Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Top General Knowledge Questions. This week I am going to share GK questions on the topic General Science. This video is helpful for all those who are preparing for various competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, who among the following anticipated Newton by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth? Answer is Brahmagupta. Answer is Brahmagupta because Brahmagupta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer who had written numerous important books on mathematics and astronomy. He anticipated Newton by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth. A simple machine helps a person in doing. Answer is option B because a simple machine is a mechanical device that changes the direction or magnitude of a force. In general, they can be defined as the simplest mechanisms that use mechanical advantage to multiply force. Thus, simple machine helps us in doing same amount of work with lesser force. Few examples of simple machine are pulley, lever, wheel, screw, etc. The working principle of a washing machine is. Answer is option A, centrifugation, because washing machine works on the principle of centrifugation. Centrifugation is a process that involves the use of centrifugal force for the separation of mixture with centrifuge, used in industries and in laboratory settings. More dense components of mixture migrate away from the axis of centrifuge, while less dense components of the mixture migrate towards the axis. A ball is dropped from the top of a height building with a constant acceleration of 9.8 meter per second square. What will be its velocity after 2 seconds? Answer is option B because we have to use the formula V equal to U plus GT, and in the value of U you should put 0 and t equal to 2 seconds and g equal to 9.8 meter per second, and if you solve this we will get the 19.6 meter per second. An oil tanker partially filled with oil moves forward on a level road with uniform acceleration. The free surface of oil then. Answer is option C because the surface of tanker will move in forward direction with increasing velocity, so depth will be larger at the rear end. The clouds float in the atmosphere because of their low. Answer is option D, density, because the density of the clouds is less than that of the air. An air bubble in water will act like a. Answer is option D, concave lens, because air bubble in water would act as a diverging lenses because the index of refraction of air is less than that of water. A noise level of 100 decibel would correspond to. Answer is option D, noise from a machine shop, because the decibel is widely known as a measure of sound pressure level. but is also used for wide variety of other measurements in science and engineering. The decibel is commonly used in acoustics to quantify sound levels relative to a 0 dB reference, which has been defined as a sound pressure level of 0.0002 microbar. The noise level of 100 decibel would correspond to noise from machine shop. Which one of the following types of waves are used in night vision apparatus? Answer is option C, infrared waves. Because night visions has referenced here is that technology that provides us with the miracle of vision is total darkness, and the improvement of vision is low light environments. Infrared waves are used in night vision apparatus. Which one of the following is paramagnetic in nature? Answer is option C, oxygen. Because iron is ferromagnetic, hydrogen is diamagnetic, and nitrogen is dimagnetic. So the correct answer is oxygen. So now we will discuss some of the questions which are based on assertion and region type questions. Assertion: a man standing on a completely frictionless surface can be propel himself by whistling. Reason: if no external force acts on a system, its momentum cannot change. Answer is option B. Both assertion and region are true, but R is a not correct explanation of assertion, because first statement can be explained on the basis of laws of motion. First statement involves the use of Newton's third law of motion, that is, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. In first case, while whistling, a man uses his breath as a propellant to propel himself. The second statement can be explained on the basis of law of conservation of linear momentum, according to which the momentum of body remains conserved until any external force acts upon it. Assertion: the weight of a body decreases with the increase of altitude on Earth. Reason: the Earth is not a perfect sphere. Answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but R is reason is not correct explanation of assertion, because weight is basically the measurement of gravitational force that acts on an object. Weight of any body is given by the formula W equal to mg, where m is the mass of a body. G refers to the acceleration that Earth imparts to object on or near its surface. It is called acceleration due to gravity. Now, mass is universal constant. It will remain the same on same at Earth surface or at any point above the surface of Earth. Acceleration due to gravity decreases with altitude, since greater altitude means greater distance from the Earth's center. Assertion: the temperature of metal wire rises when an electric current is passed through it. Reason: collision of metal atoms with each other releases heat energy. Answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, And reason is the correct explanation of assertion because a metallic conductor has a large number of free electrons in it. When potential difference is applied across the ends of metallic wire, the free electrons begin to drift from a region of low potential to a region of high potential. These electrons collide with positive ions. In these collisions, the energy of electrons is transferred to positive ions and they begin to vibrate more violently. As a result, heat is produced. The greater the number of electrons flowing per second, the greater will be the rate of collision, and so greater heat is the produced. Assertion: in our houses, the current in AC electricity line changes direction 60 times per second. Reason: the frequency of alternating voltage supplied is 50 Hz. Answer is option D. Assertion is false, but our reason is true because an alternating current AC is one which is constantly changing direction. Alternating current have two cycles, positive half cycle and negative half cycle. Mains electricity in an AC supply which is supplied to homes in India at 220 VAC at 50 Hz. Thus, in our houses, the current in AC electricity line changes direction 50 into 2, that is 100 times per second. Assertion: an iron ball floats on mercury but gets immersed in water. Reason: the specific gravity of iron is more than that of mercury. The correct statement is assertion is true but reason is false because specific gravity is the ratio of density of a substance to the density of a reference substance. Mercury has a specific gravity of 13.56 whereas specific gravity of iron is 7.21. Thus iron ball floats on mercury. Assertion: a piece of copper and a piece of glass are heated to the same temperature. When touched thereafter, the copper piece appears hotter than the glass piece. Reason: the density of copper is more than that of glass. The correct statement is option B because on heating up to same temperature copper piece is found hotter than in comparison to glass piece because copper being a metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity while glass on other hand is poor conductor of heat. The density of copper is 8.92 gram centimeter cube of glass and of glass is 2.6 gram centimeter cube. Assertion: the boiling point of water decreases as the altitude increases. Reason: the atmospheric pressure increases with altitude. The correct statement is option C. Assertion is true but reason is false because the boiling point of an element or a substance is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid equals the environmental pressure surrounding the liquid. As altitude increases, atmospheric pressure decreases. So boiling point decreases. So the liquid would boil at the lower temperature. Assertion: with the increase of temperature, the viscosity of glycerin increases. Reason: rise of temperature increases kinetic energy of molecules. The correct statement is option D. Assertion is false but reason is true because the temperature dependence of liquid viscosity is the phenomenon by which liquid viscosity tends to decrease as its temperature increases. Thus, with increase of temperature, viscosity of glycerin decrease. Statement 2 is correct because with the rise of temperature in case of liquid, the kinetic energy increases as kinetic energy of liquid molecule is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Assertion. In a motion picture, usually 24 frames are projected every second over the whole length of film. Reason. An image formed on the retina of eye persists for about zero point 0.1 seconds after the removal of stimulus. The correct statement is option C. Assertion is true but reason is false because uh, image formed on the retina of eye persists for about 0.06 second after it changes. Assertion. Small glass beads fixed on traffic signal glow brightly when light falls upon them. Reason. Light is totally reflected when the angle of incidence exceeds a certain critical value and light traveling in denser medium is reflected from a rear medium. The correct explanation is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and R is reason is the correct explanation of assertion because total internal reflection is a optical phenomenon that happens when a ray of light strikes a medium boundary at an angle larger than a particular critical angle with respect to the normal to the surface. If the refractive index is lower on the other side of the boundary, no light can pass through and all of the light is reflected. Thus, because of this phenomenon, traffic light beads glow when light falls on them. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get our weekly updates. Thank you.